Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tony. Don't mind the treadmill. You guys know I'm always here like 24/7. So I did get a bunch of people telling me that PLTR is gonna moon up tomorrow because ARK, basically Cathie Woods, bought a crap ton of shares of PLTR right before close today, or at least sometime today, right? I don't think that it's gonna moon up tomorrow. I mean, I don't think that PLTR is gonna have enough strength based off of just Cathie Woods' purchase of PLTR. I do think that we're gonna go back down to $25. Like I told you guys, if anything, we might retest this $31 level and then shoot back down. Just because I do think that PLTRs, sorry, I keep mispronouncing it. I do think that PLTRs or Palantirs, you know, that's just what the TA shows, right? And I usually 100% I follow my own TA. I don't really listen to other people because, you know, I don't like losing money based off of other people's opinion, right? At least this way, if I lose money, it's on my own cause, right? But at least what I think, I do think that if there's a push upwards, because of the news of Cathie Woods and ARK buying PLTR, I do think we might have a push up to 31 bucks. But apart from that, I don't think that we're gonna cross $31. At least that's my opinion, right? I do think that we're going back down to 25 bucks. I don't think we're gonna hit, you know, I don't think we're going back to 38, 40 bucks, at least for a little bit longer, just because we have, you know, we have pretty big momentum towards the downside. And I do think that we're gonna have to go all the way back down to 25, at least this price range, before we go back up. I mean, at least that's what I'm thinking right now. And I do think that before this weekend's PLTR might see $25 again, at least touch it before we actually go back up to, you know, to 40 bucks or whatever. But, you know, I know everybody's like super hyped because ARK bought like more shares. But, you know, I don't think that's going to be enough to keep PLTR, you know, going towards the upside. I do think that, you know, it's going to keep going down towards the $25 mark. I'll see you guys later.